Hello and welcome. Good to have you with us. Continuing our top 5 static and dynamic MCQ series, first question of the day is asking mark the correct option. One side commission is given, on the other side its status is given. The first is asking National Commission for Safai Karmachari is a statutory body. It is incorrect because National Commission for Safai Karmachari is an executive body, not a statutory body, which comes under Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. And now next, National Commission for Women, which is a statutory body. Yes, it is correct because it was established or enacted through a act by Parliament in 1990s. So statement B is correctly matched. Third, Special Officer for Linguistic Minorities. It is a constitutional body. Yes, it is also correctly matched because it is mentioned under Article 350B. So here question is asking which of the above is correctly matched pair. Only one pair, option B only two pairs, option C all pairs are correct, option D none, and the correct option is option B only two pairs are correctly matched because first is incorrect, it is an executive body. Now moving to our second question, who is affectionately known as Gandhi Buri or Old Lady Gandhi? First option कनक लता बरुआ, ऑप्शन बी कमला देवी चट्टोपाध्याय, ऑप्शन सी भीखाजी कामा, ऑप्शन डी मतंगिनी हजरा, एंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन डी मतंगिनी हजरा is known as Gandhi Buri or Old Lady. Which now moving to our next question, which one of the pair has legalized the cryptocurrency Bitcoin as legal tender in their economy? First option A El Salvador and Central African Republic, option B France and Germany, option C Peru and Kenya, option D Chile and Mexico, and the correct option is option A El Salvador and Central African Republic has legalized the cryptocurrency as a legal tender in their economy. Now moving to our next question, which one of them is not in the state of Chhattisgarh? First option Indravati Tiger Reserve, option B Achanak Marg Tiger Reserve, option C Guru Ghasidas National Park, and option D Ranipur Wildlife Sanctuary. Here option D is correct because it is not situated in the state of Chhattisgarh but it is located in the state of Uttar Pradesh in Chitrakoot district. So option D is correct. Ranipur Wildlife Sanctuary is located in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Now moving to next question, with reference to Rehabilitation Council of India, which of the following are correct? First, it comes under the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Yes, it is correct statement. Second, it was set up as a registered society in 1986 and on September 1992 the RCI Act was enacted by Parliament and it became a statutory body on 22nd June 1993. Second statement is also correct. It has a statutory status. Third statement, it is the only statutory council in India that is required to maintain the central rehabilitation register with mainly documents details of all qualified professionals who operate and deliver training and educational program for the targeted communities. Here statement third is also correct. So option B all statement is correctly spelled regarding the Rehabilitation Council of India. Thanks to all viewers and subscribers of our Last Mile Approach YouTube channel. Please like, share, subscribe and support our initiative.